What's up, beautiful people, and welcome again to my day 4 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days. Of course, this challenge is going to take throughout October, November, and December, right? And just like I always say, congratulations to you that joined this challenge, and I want to let you know that I am so much proud of you, right? So today I've saved another 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise, right? Yes, so you must not make use of Cowrywise, just like I always say. Make use of any fintech platform of your choice. It could be OPay, PamPay, PiggyVest, and of course this Cowrywise that I'm using, right? So I'm going to give you 2 bonus tips that is going to keep you consistent throughout this challenge, right? The first one is cutting down on your expenses. Yes, because if you have money, that is when you can be able to save. All right, so if you don't have money, I don't know how you are going to be able to save, right? So the second bonus tip is going to be automating your savings. I've been saying it from the beginning of this challenge, day 1, day 2, day 3, and today is day 4. I'm still repeating it again. So you have to automate your savings. If you don't know how to automate savings, let me know in the comment section. Any fintech platform that you want to make use of to join this challenge and you don't know how to automate the savings, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a separate video teaching you how to automate your saving. But just automate your saving, because what the automation does is to debit the amount you want to be saving every day from your local bank account and then send it over to the platform you want to be making use of. All right, any amount you want to be saving. And for you that might be saying, oh, I don't have 1,000 naira to be saving every single day, I'm not asking you to be saving that 1,000. If you don't have up to 1,000, or if you cannot be able to be saving up to 1,000 every single day for the period of that 90 days, then you have to reduce the amount you have to be saving every day. If what you can be able to save is 500, then save 500. If what you can be able to save every day is 300, 100 naira, or even 5 naira, as little as this might be, just save it, okay? Yes, the goal is for you not to back down on this challenge. I just want us to get throughout this challenge together, right? But if you can be able to save more than that 1,000, then go ahead. If you can be able to save 5,000 naira every single day for a period of 90 days, then go ahead and do it. We just want to make sure, or to build that culture, okay, of being able to save. Because if you can be able to save, then you can be able to invest, okay? So that is the 2 tips I have for you. Cut down on your expenses and then automate your savings, because automation can take money out of your local bank account, send it to the fintech platform you are going to be making use of seamlessly, even when you are asleep. All right, so these are the 2 tips. If you have started, let me know in the comment section. If you have not started, let me know what the problem could be in the comment section. I really want you to join this challenge, okay? If you don't know your whereabouts on how to even get started, because all these fintech that I've mentioned, PiggyVest, Cowrywise, PamPay, OPay, and any other one that I must have forgotten, all of them you can get that in the Google Play Store or App Store. So go there, download it, get registered. Make sure you have your BVN, you have a utility bill, you have what else? You have an email address that is working, functional email address, and of course your phone number in case of any code they are going to be sending, so you can be able to access the code. I'm just saying, okay, your BVN, utility bill, email, phone number, right, and ID card, like your NIN can serve, right? So make sure you have that for verification. What other things? So let me know what is holding you. If you have saved today, let me know in the comment section how much you saved today. If you have not saved, let me know what is holding you back. If you don't know how to start, let me know in the comment section. All right, so what other thing do I need to say in today's challenge? I don't think I have any other thing to say. I've said every other thing. So keep winning, guys. Yes, keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. So in case you're looking for more ways to make money for yourself, more ways your money can make more money for you, then I want you to click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video, and I'm going to see you on the other side. As always, keep winning, guys, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye.